Weird happening in weather too. Areas that don't usually get a ton of rain
are
being flooded.
Deserts they're getting it all at once, and it's not a good thing. This video is just incredible and just shows you how devastating it is down in parts of the Southwest. This is in Arizona. I showed you Las Vegas earlier. Phoenix, Arizona picked up about 3.5 inches of rain in a very small amount of time, just within a couple of hours. And that's what happens because the soil there it doesn't absorb the water like it does up here. It's desert, and so that water has to run somewhere, and then it ends up flooding the streets, and you just have this disaster. In fact, you have to go back into over 80 years in some of these places to get this much rain. So major record rain in the Southwest. It's all because of this system right here. The remnants now of Tropical Storm Norbert, it's continuing to send in that moisture, not quite getting up to where we are, but we're going to keep most of that activity down south of us. But we're getting a little bit of showery activity across south central portions of Oregon. Very, very spotty light rain though, and once we get through this evening, we're going to see that move out. Now we are starting to get in a little bit of moisture from the ocean too, and that's translating in the form of cloud cover. So you can see the clouds pushing in from the coast down into the valley. We are going to see increasing clouds for the metro area overnight tonight. We may even get in on some patchy drizzle, but a lot of that happening late, and thank goodness too, because it is going to be an incredible view of the supermoon, the harvest moon. That's happening this evening. Temperatures will be in the low 70s. It'll be a little orangish in color as it rises at 7:16 p.m. So definitely something to look for. Winds coming in from the west-northwest at about 5 to 10, and then the clouds will continue to increase from there. So low 70s as we head through 7 o'clock, and then we're down into the 60s by 9 o'clock, and then by 11 o'clock in the mid 60s. So most of the evening spent in the 60s, and then we'll take that quick dip down into the 50s tomorrow morning. You can see the clouds already trying to push back in. We started off with cloud cover. We cleared it out. It's moving back in. We'll start off with more clouds tomorrow, and we may not quite get as warm tomorrow with a little bit more moisture around. So 76 degrees. We topped out at 77 this afternoon. Tomorrow we'll have a tougher time getting to 77. We'll probably just keep it right in the mid 70s, so it'll feel just like fall. And then we have this huge warm up to talk about. We're in the 60s along the coast. Basically a repeat for you tomorrow. As you head east, temperatures in the 70s to low 80s. It will get a little bit cooler east of the Cascades, with most of you topping out in the 70s. So tomorrow morning, the breakdown here in the metro area, 58 degrees, mostly cloudy. A little bit of patchy drizzle will be possible. Not all of us will see it. Tomorrow afternoon, mid 70s, partly sunny skies. Temperatures stay nice and mild. And then we have the big warm up that starts for Wednesday, with temperatures in the low 80s, then low to mid 80s after that Thursday, Friday 85, and then we could be knocking on 90 again as we head into your Saturday. So another heat wave for us as we head into the weekend. For the coast, temperatures in the 60s, some drizzle possible mainly in the morning. As we head inland, temperatures in the 70s all up and down I-5, slight chance for some drizzle in the morning. Central and eastern portions of the state will top out in the 70s, and then as we zoom on into the Gorge, Hood River, mid 70s with a little more sunshine out that way. A little bit of patchy drizzle for the Cascades. Again, we warm things up. Low 80s Wednesday, 82 Thursday. We stay warm into the weekend, and it gets just downright hot for the weekend, mid to upper 80s. So strut your mutt happening this Saturday, Selwood Waterfront Park. Send in your photos, and we hope to see you there. Not too late to register. 8 to 1. It should be beautiful weather for it.
Can't wait. I
I'm
can't wait to see all those
excited.
dogs.